Thanksgiving. It's hotel with power right now, blizzard time. So, yay. Snow's not too bad, but the wind is crazy. Blew out transformers last night, but somebody worked hard and got us our power back. Yay. Anyway, what are you grateful for? I'm grateful that I have electricity right now and heat. Hot showers, hot food, all of that. And then I'm safe inside for now. We'll see. Hopefully we get to see loved ones today, but we'll see. So what are you grateful for? Love you guys. You can't see it, but the snow is blowing sideways. Well, maybe you can't see it. It's sideways.